Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the bruise stage because color and undertone dictate correction choices. Once done, convert to a working color space and duplicate your layer to preserve the original. Next, use a neutral point or gray sampler near skin to remove color cast. This gives you an accurate baseline. Make small exposure adjustments so details in the bruise are visible. You do these first steps to prevent overcorrection later and to keep skin tones believable as you proceed. Now you target the bruise specifically. Create a mask around the area, feather edges generously to blend corrections into surrounding skin. Use HSL or selective color tools to reduce offending blues and purples by shifting hue toward skin and lowering saturation in small increments. This keeps texture intact. Once the color is closer to skin, add subtle luminosity adjustments to match nearby highlights and shadows so the area reads naturally. Make sure to toggle the correction on and off to evaluate progress. Finish by blending the corrected area into the whole face or body. You should use gentle dodge and burn to rebuild natural depth. Use very low exposure settings so you don't create halos. Then apply a low opacity global color grade or photo filter to unify overall skin tone. If the patch still stands out, inspect your mask edge feather and opacity and verify your monitor profile is correct. Recalibrate if needed. This final pass ensures the correction reads naturally in context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.